Hello everyone, welcome to our Tradeschool YouTube channel.
Let's see our today analysis on gold. Let's check the news for today. We have new forex at 6:00 p.m. on unemployment claims. Actual less than forecast is good for currency. We have marked the sell zone in previous video. See how gold reacted for the zone it has fall down from 1961 to 1939. Currently gold, we can see some rejections from 1963. Price not making any lower low yet, so trend is still on buy. So wait for the setup for us to trade today. Now the gold was in sideways. We have marked two buy zones for gold: first zone in the range of 1935 to 1940 and second buy zone in the range of 1930 to 1930 to 1930 to 1932. As since gold was in bullish, we can focus for buy. We have also marked sell zones in the range of 1950 to 1958. Yesterday rejection was in the range of 1962, so this too act as resistance area. Second sell zone in the range of 1980 to 1985.